everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some beautiful botanical stationery with the help of my friends at Derwent. And I'm going to show you how to press flowers and leaves in the microwave in just a few minutes. Are you ready? Let's get making. Flower pressing has long been practiced as an art form in China and Japan, where it is known as ashibana. It gained popularity in England during the Victorian era. Flower presses were usually made of wood with layers of blotting paper that were held together with leather straps. Around 1400 years after paper was invented in China, the term stationery came into being in Europe. It was a special term used between the 13th and 15th centuries and comes from the medieval Latin word stationarius, which means unmoved or permanent. Handwritten notes began peaking in the second half of the 19th century and turned into an art form. The world started to see more colored and lightly tinted papers, floral embellishments, and gold-lined paper. The paper mill industry was also booming during the early 1800s in the US. I'm going to leave a link for everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and you know I'll get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.